Alright, what we have here is the Avast Marine ATO switch, or pressure switch, which is just your little box right here. I've got it plugged into a desk lamp so we can see it working here. It's got a little LED that you can kind of see, but it's hard to see on the camera. So all you have here that comes with it is a acrylic tube, a piece of air line. Let's plug this up. Alright, and your tube goes here. You'll see as I insert in the tank, it builds pressure that goes down, raises it up a little, light cuts back on. And no moving parts in the tank whatsoever. You can see the little light. And that's really all there is to it.